Now, if you did something in Adobe Illustrator, for example, you move that object here, and you want it to go back to where it was, you use the undo or redo actions. So you can simply go to edit and click undo. It will come back here. Or for example, if you mess up the shape, let's say I scale it that way by mistake and I want the circle to back to its previous shape. So what to do is to go to edit, then select undo, and it will come back again. Now if I want to go forward instead of backward, like I was doing the mistake, then going backward to the previous action by clicking undo. Now if I want to go forward to the mistake itself or the thing I've done, I just go to edit again and select redo. You see, with the mistake I've demonstrated or the shape I made has come back again. Now let me redo that to continue explaining. Now what if, or let me talk about the shortcut for that, which is Ctrl plus Z to undo the move or the action you do. You simply, for example, let me do that, then move it here, then do that again. Now if I want to undo all those actions, I simply click 3 times on the shortcut Ctrl plus Z, 1 time, 2 times, and 3 times. And this way we've undone all the new actions. If I want to redo those actions, we use the shortcut Shift plus Ctrl plus Z, and we can do it again and again as much as it needs to go to the move we've done. So this is for undoing and redoing stuff. Now let's talk about copying. If you want to copy a shape, simply select it, then use the shortcut Ctrl plus C, then Ctrl plus V to create a copy of the shape. Or you can just select it. Let me delete that by hitting delete. You can just select the shape, then go to edit, then click copy, then go to edit again, then click paste. Now what if you want to make a copy but on top of the shape itself? So you will create a circle on top of the first circle. Let me delete that. So to do that, you select the shape, then you go to edit, then copy again, then you go to edit, then you choose pass in front. You can see the circle, but it is here, so move it like that and you'll find that you've got a new copy of the circle. You can use the shortcut, which is Ctrl C, then Ctrl F, and here we've made the new copy of the circle. You can also paste the new shape in the back of that circle by selecting it, then go to edit, then copy again, then go to edit, then pass in the back. So the new copy is not in the front, but it is in the back of that first shape. So the circle we've moved here is the first shape, and this one is the copy. It was behind this. You can do that using the shortcuts Ctrl B. So Ctrl C to copy, then Ctrl B to pass the shape in the back. So this is the first shape and this is the copy of the shape. So that's all for undoing and redoing and copying. See you in the next video.